Lost files in Google Drive? Learn 4 simple ways to recover deleted files quickly. Part 1. Restore deleted files from Google Drive via Android Databack Flexible. Android Databack helps recover deleted photos, videos, contacts, messages, and other files from Android devices and Google Drive backups. It offers multiple recovery options for various devices. How to recover deleted items from Google Drive to Android via Android Databack. 1. Start by installing and launching the Android Data Backup application on your PC. 2. In the main interface, select the option Recover Data from Google Drive. 3. Sign into your Google account. 4. Select recoverable data types. 5. Choose Files and click Next. 6. Scan Google Drive data. 7. Preview recovered files. 8. Choose Recover to Device or Recover to PC. Part 2. Rescue deleted files from Google Drive Trash. Option 1. Restore deleted files from Google Drive Trash. 1. Open Google Drive and sign in. 2. Go to Trash Bin. 3. Select the file and click Restore. Option 2. Restore deleted files from Google Drive Trash on Android. 1. Open Google Drive. 2. Go to Menu Trash. 3. Select the file and tap Restore. Part 3. Recover deleted files from Google Drive via Admin Account. 1. Sign into Google Admin Console. 2. Go to Directory Users and select a user. 3. Choose Restore Data. 4. Select Date Range, choose Drive, and click Restore. Part 4. Retrieve deleted files from Google Drive with Google Drive Help. 1. Visit Google Drive Help and submit a recovery request. 2. Provide file details and deletion information. 3. Follow Google's instructions to recover files.